welcome to Easy English by Eddie Singh, and today we are continuing the fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition. First of all, you must ask, sir, what is the technique of attempting such questions?
So what is the
Technique of
attempting
such questions. See, whenever such questions come in your board exam or any other exam, school exam, the examiner's idea is to test your ability whether you are acquainted with certain words and phrases followed by prepositions. Like I tell you some of the things that you must remember before going for this. Like if anybody asks you what is the meaning of compassion for, or how compassion is always followed by for. Like we must have compassion for sick and troubled people. We should always have sympathy and love for those people who are sick and old. Sick and so that is called compassion for. So compassion is always followed by for. So what is the sentence? We must have compassion for sick and disabled people. Sick and
disabled people.
हाँ, अब उसी तरह से बोलिए तो derive or that is followed by from. How will you use derive from? कोई चीज लेना, to get from,
Acid word is
to
derived
extract
from
from.
acid word is derived from the Latin word acidus. This is an example of.
Or you may call it, plants derive, chlorophyll from green pigment inside them. Or you may call it plant, derive what is there in sunlight, which is required for preparing food.
So sunlight.
No, sunlight में कुछ रहता है जो फूड के प्रिपरेशन के लिए प्लांट यूज करते हैं. What is that?
So UV ray.
UV rays is not required for preparation of food. The green pigment in the plant helps them to prepare food. But
Yes.
what is there in sunlight, which is chlorophyll, perhaps? The chlorophyll or something like that.
No, sir, sunlight is only required.
Required.
हाँ.
अच्छा, sunlight is required. The sunlight helps to prepare the food. So we can say that where do the plants derive? I mean, the required. I mean, oxygen or whatever is required. Carbon dioxide is required or something required. Anyway, where do we derive oxygen from? From the atmosphere.
Yes,
So
sir.
we can say that human being derive oxygen from atmosphere.
Atmosphere.
So derive is always followed by from. Give me another example of derive. आप अपने से दीजिए. We derive.
So this theorem is derived from the.
अब बोले ना, we derive different minerals
We derive different minerals
from
from earth.
the earth. कल आ जाइए 10 बजे, सारा पेमेंट हो जाएगा. खोल दो. हाँ बाबू पढ़ा रहे हैं. बाबू आया है, पढ़ा रहे हैं. बाबू बाबू आया, दूध लेके आया मेरे बाबू. बाबू दूध लेके आया. बस 5-10 मिनट पढ़ाना है, आधा घंटे के बाद बात करते हैं. ठीक है बाबू? Should I continue teaching them?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. So yes, what I said, yes, derive from. We derive oxygen from atmosphere. Plants derive carbon dioxide from atmosphere because they require perhaps carbon dioxide. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Most of the plants require carbon dioxide, all the plants, to survive, and we get oxygen from, because plants absorb carbon dioxide and they give out oxygen,
Yes, sir.
which we derive from atmosphere. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So now your question.
Yes, sir.
Subscribe, that means you are subscribing to the channel Easy English. What is the preposition which is required for subscribe?
So subscribe for.
No, subscribes to. I will say subscribes to my channel Easy English. Subscribe. Manish, you have already subscribed.
Yes, sir.
Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe is always followed by to. Okay? That means you have recommended and taken this channel as a channel for studies. Channel for?
Studies.
So, for that you are not paying money. It is free to all channel. It is not a monetary channel. My channel is free to all. Free
But
to.
sir, subscribe is also used in some.
Yes, you can subscribe that in other sense, in paying money also, and using.
Subscription is required.
Subscription is required for service also. Oh, you are right. Acha, what is the preposition used for beware? B-E-W-A-R-E. Beware.
Beware of.
You're right. How will you use this in sentence?
We have
Beware
to
of the
beware of
pickpockets. Oh, that is not a good sentence. Beware of the pickpockets while traveling in a train.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Beware of the people who misguide you. You tell. Beware of. One example you give.
So be aware from
Aware I am giving example of beware. You were saying aware. Aware कहाँ हमने बोला?
Beware of social networking.
You are
issues.
right. Beware of the wrong messages on social networking.
Yes, sir.
Beware of the wrong information given on social networking. Am I right?
Beware of
But
fraud
today
message.
CBSE has given information about conducting exam, board exam.
Yes, sir.
On net it has come. Date and everything has come. So beware of. Okay. Beware of pickpockets while traveling by
Yes,
a
sir.
train.
By train.
Okay. Boast. BOAST. Boast.
Yes.
Boast of. Boast is always followed by of. A reason to be proud of. Like there are many people. So we can say that we Indians boast of our rich cultural heritage. Say like that. We Indians
We Indians
boast of
boast of
our rich cultural heritage.
our rich culture. and
Yeah,
heritage.
we actually India is known as a land of oldest civilization and cultural heritage. So we have got unity in diversity. Unity in
Diversity.
the country which is having largest number of religions and customs and traditions you will find in India. Everywhere, if you go to Karnataka, you will find one kind of custom and religion. If you go to Jammu and Kashmir, another kind of. So it is just like unity in diversity. Unity in.
Diversity.
So nowhere you will find such a culmination of culture other than India. Okay, who is going to tell this? Yes, boast of. So we Indian always boast of our rich cultural
And
heritage. Say like that. We Indians
We
We
Indians
always boast of
Always boast
our
of
rich cultural
our
heritage.
rich culture. and heritage.
Okay, now conscious. Say like that. Conscious.
Conscious.
Conscious of means aware of. Give example, Manish. Conscious of.
We have to conscious of about,
We must be conscious of.
we must be conscious of about our health.
You're right, absolutely right. We must be conscious of our health.
Health.
Very good. Good example. Okay. Convicted of. Charged of. The thief was convicted of stealing jewelries. Stealing. The man was convicted of murder. Convicted of
the terrorists
murder.
are
The
convicted
terrorists
to-
are convicted of killing innocent people. Killing.
Innocent.
So that means okay. Now the question of this one. Number one, quick. This is buzz around fast. He drove from Maharashtra
to
to Karnataka. Very good. The court has absolved him blank all the charges
the in
leveled against
In.
him. No, absolved of. Yes.
Example.
Your question, buzz around it is. The tribes lived blank customs different from the English that
In.
had.
Lives in.
No. See, we all live by our custom. So it will be by. Say like that. The tribes
The tribes
lived
live
by the customs
by the custom
different from
different from
the English.
the
The English
English.
people who have ruled over us.
Yes.
They have left behind certain custom, but the tribal people are not affected by that
Yes,
custom. So the tribes lived by custom. Lived by
Custom.
always remember. Next question. We warned him. Like I warn you, blank. Your carelessness. Blank your carelessness. Or blank a danger. People always warn you. Blank danger. Like pandemic is there. So we are using mask. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So, what is the government warning us of? Warn is always followed by of. What is government warning us? During this pandemic, COVID-19,
to be
government has been warning all the people of negligence regarding use of mask and social distancing.
Distance.
We all are maintaining social distancing here.
Yes, sir.
While we are learning, we are using mask and we are using social distancing. So we must follow the rules and regulation. So the government has warned the people of the danger of COVID-19. COVID,
19.
even during the month of December, there is a chance that it will increase.
Yes, sir.
We laughed blank the affair.
laughed over
Very good. Laughed over the affair. Absolutely right. Next question. You are welcome to partake blank their light refreshment. Partake. Partake is always followed by in. You are welcome to partake in. Partake. Stay blank your limits. मतलब नहीं कहते अपने अपने जैसे किसी को बोलते हो अपने औकात में रहो, इसको अंग्रेजी में बोला जाता है स्टे ब्लैंक योर लिमिट्स।
Yes, sir.
क्या प्रिपरेशन दीजिएगा? स्टे ब्लैंक योर लिमिट्स नहीं बोलते कि अपना
In your
दायरा में रहो, अपने दायरे में
In
रहो,
your limit.
नहीं विदिन ऑलवेज रिमेंबर,
Within your
हाँ स्टे विदिन योर लिमिट्स बोला जाता है कि आप अपने दायरा में रहिए। शी वॉज हैप्पी टू पार्टेक अगेन इन द फेस्टिविटी इन दी कोप। कोप के साथ क्या लगेगा? आई कैन कोप ब्लैंक एनी प्रॉब्लम्स, यू कैन कोप ब्लैंक एनी प्रॉब्लम्स। आप कोई भी डिफिकल्टीज का सामना कर सकते हैं। कोप के साथ क्या
So
लगेगा?
cope के साथ with
ना कोप अप,
cope of.
ये कभी कभी कोप अप विथ भी होता है,
हाँ.
उसका मतलब होता है कॉम्पेंसेट, लेकिन कोप के साथ हमेशा विथ लगता है। आई कैन कोप अप एनी प्रॉब्लम, कोप अप,
any
यू
problem.
कैन कोप अप एनी प्रॉब्लम।
problem.
आप कोई भी उस समस्या का सामना कर सकते हैं। हिज मैनर्स ब्लैंक हिम, आपको हम चॉइस दे रहे हैं, स्पीक ऑफ हिम, स्पीक फॉर हिम, स्पीक फ्रॉम हिम।
Speak of.
तीन ही चॉइस दे रहे हैं, स्पीक ऑफ, स्पीक फॉर, स्पीक फ्रॉम।
Speak of.
So speak of.
स्पीक फॉर हिज, मतलब बता रहे हैं आपको, हिज मैनर्स स्पीक फॉर हिम, उसके तौर तरीके उसके बारे में बताते हैं। इसका मतलब यही हिंदी हुआ, हिज मैनर्स स्पीक
For him.
फॉर हिम। एंड द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, ए थॉरो सर्च ऑफ द एयरक्राफ्ट वाज कैरिड ब्लैंक इन द एयरपोर्ट।
At the airport.
नहीं अच्छा एट द एयरपोर्ट वो तो है, उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है। सर्च के साथ कैरिड के साथ क्या लगाइएगा? देखिए
Carried out.
कैरिड आउट, एब्सोल्युटली राइट। कैरिड आउट मींस उसको ये दिया गया शक्ल में, मतलब उसका काम हुआ, सर्च आउट किया गया।
Yes, sir.
एयरक्राफ्ट का जो क्रैश हुआ था उसको खोजने की प्रक्रिया को पूरी की गई। सो ए थॉरो सर्च ऑफ द एयरक्राफ्ट वाज कैरिड आउट इन द एयरपोर्ट, इन दी।
Airport.
बहुत अच्छा। देखिए ये क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करने के लिए what are the things required? You ask, sir, what are the things required?
So what are the things
Yes,
required?
you must learn every day at least 10 to 15 words followed by preposition. Words followed by,
Preposition.
for your help, I am giving you certain things. This paper I will give you, you will copy down. Come to the point. Acquaintance. Acquaintance, you know? What is the meaning of acquaintance? मतलब familiarity. Acquaintance with जान पहचान। जैसे आपको हम बोले कि गेट योर सेल्फ एक्वेंटेड विद द सिलेबस ऑफ बोर्ड। अरे भाई अब परीक्षा देने जा रहे हैं तो यू मस्ट नो व्हाट इज द सिलेबस ऑफ ईच सब्जेक्ट। सिलेबस से नहीं जानिएगा तो परीक्षा क्या दीजिएगा या पढ़िएगा क्या? तो बोलिए तो इसको, वी शुड गेट एक्वेंटेड
We should get acquainted
with the syllabus of
with the
With the
syllabus of
syllabus of
standard 10.
our subject matters of different classes, different. Particularly the board examinees should get acquainted with the syllabus of different subject, that because they are going to appear for the exam. बोलिए अब उसको जब हम नाउन फॉर्म बनाएंगे तो एक्वेंटेड का नाउन हो जाएगा एक्वेंटेंस, लेकिन प्रिपरेशन वही रहेगा एक्वेंटेंस विद, एक्वेंटेंस
With.
that means known to. We must get acquaintance with our new professor. Afflicted with, afflicted का मतलब होता है कोई बीमारी से, caused pain or suffering. जैसे the recent pandemic COVID-19 has afflicted millions of people all over the world. बोलिए तो, the recent pandemic
The recent
COVID-19
pandemic
pandemic
has
COVID-19
afflicted
has afflicted
with, याद रखिए, afflicted with
With.
millions of people all over the world, all over
millions
the
of people all over the world.
अलायंस के साथ क्या प्रिपरेशन दीजिएगा? अलायंस, अलायंस विथ होता है, याद रखिए अलायंस
Alliance
विथ।
with.
इसको आप एक बार पढ़ जाइए, रीड आउट, आंसर्स के साथ पढ़िए सो दैट ही विल अंडरस्टैंड। पढ़ जाइए, रीड आउट, उसके बाद रिकॉर्डिंग को एक किया जाएगा, स्विच ऑफ किया जाएगा, रीड आउट।
Acquaintance with.
हाँ
known
रो
to.
जोर से पढ़ो।
Acquaintance with.
हाँ,
known
yes.
to. We
Yes.
must get acquaintance with our new professor.
वेरी गुड,
Afflicted with.
यस,
Caused pain or suffering. The recent pandemic COVID-19 has afflicted millions of people. Alliance with. A union of association BJP was having alliance with Shiv Sena earlier, but this alliance has been broken recently.
वेरी गुड,
Bear with, suffer. People have to bear with the rising cost of petrol in the past 2 years. Beset with, full of.
यस, वेरी गुड,
Human life is beset with the challenges and difficulties.
गुड,
Clash with, fight. The party workers had a clash with one another after the address of their leaders.
Nice. That's nice. Really nice.